Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove connecting to family by removing your Apple ID, especially when you have restrictions turned on your iPhone. The method works great if you want to disconnect from your family sharing without any age restrictions. Firstly, let's download the app SD iPhone Unlocker from the Software Dive official website. After install and launch it, hit Remove Apple ID. Then connect your iPhone to your computer with the matched cable. Later, it should prompt the screen, trust your computer or not. Tap Trust and enter your screen passcode to unlock the iPhone. The app should detect your iPhone and enter into the next screen. Read the text carefully before removing your Apple ID. Removing your Apple ID will erase all your data. Please keep your iPhone connected during the whole process. Hit Start. Enter 4 zeros and hit Confirm. The app should start unlocking your Apple ID immediately. Wait until you see the hello screen of the iPhone. The screen reminds you that during the next setup, when you see the screen with unlock with passcode, hit the option. Disconnect your iPhone from your computer. When you see the iPad locked to owner screen, let's set up it. Set the iPhone as 0 until you see the unlock with passcode screen. Tap it and tap Use Device Passcode. Enter the previous passcode to bypass it. Later, when you see the Apple ID page, you can sign in with your new Apple ID. If you want to manage your Apple ID separately and independently, please avoid signing into your previous Apple ID. After signing with a new Apple ID, you will get full independence and you won't have any rights to get the family sharing purchases and iCloud spaces, etc. If you feel our video is a little helpful to you, please give me a thumb up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for your watching. Bye guys. See you in next video.